Hey folks, this is Saul at Autotek, and I just want to take a quick moment to remind you that Autotek can service all your fleet needs as well. We know that those tow trucks need to run 365 days a year, and that's why we do too. So for all you fleets out there, I know you've got your own fleet department and they're taking care of you, but if you ever need the automotive emergency room, come and see us. 365 days a year, keeping you on the road. 303-290-9900. Whether it's a family car, a fleet car, or anything in the middle, we'll get you back on the road faster than the other guys.